In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPU acceleration in After Effects. This is a fantastic way to harness the full power of your computer's graphics card, allowing you to speed up rendering times and improve your workflow efficiency significantly. Let's dive into the process and get you set up with GPU acceleration in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening up After Effects on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find the File menu. Give it a click to open up a list of options. From here, you're looking for something called Project Settings. This is where you'll find the settings to adjust how After Effects handles video rendering and effects. Now that you're in the Project Settings window, you should notice a tab labeled Video Rendering and Effects. Select this tab because it's where you can specify whether to use your GPU for rendering tasks. By choosing GPU acceleration, you'll take advantage of faster processing speeds, which can significantly reduce the time needed to render your projects, ultimately speeding up your entire editing process. Next, within this tab, you should see a drop-down menu with the label Use. This menu allows you to select the kind of GPU acceleration that's appropriate for your system. If you're using a machine with an NVIDIA graphics card, you'll see an option for Mercury GPU acceleration with CUDA. For those with AMD or Intel graphics cards, you'll be looking for Mercury GPU acceleration with OpenCL. Mac users will want to select Mercury GPU acceleration with Metal. It's important to select the option that matches your graphics configuration to ensure optimal performance. However, if you find that the options for Mercury GPU acceleration are grayed out, this might indicate that your GPU isn't supported or that the appropriate drivers aren't installed. In that case, After Effects will default to the Mercury software-only setting, which will use the CPU instead of the GPU to render and process effects. This isn't the ideal setup if you're aiming for top performance, so double-check your GPU compatibility and ensure your drivers are up to date. Once you've made your selection, finalize your changes by clicking the OK button. This confirms your preferences and saves the changes you've made to the project settings. Sometimes, After Effects requires a quick restart for these changes to take effect properly, so don't hesitate to close and then reopen the program if everything doesn't seem to take right away. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled GPU acceleration in After Effects. This slight adjustment can make a substantial difference, especially on larger projects, by making rendering more efficient and less time-consuming. Enjoy your enhanced editing experience and keep creating.